Understanding Nutritional Value, a guide to healthy eating. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a vital topic that concerns everyone: nutritional value. Understanding this concept is not only crucial for your English vocabulary but also for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Let's embark on this nutritious journey together. Nutritional value refers to the content of essential nutrients found in food. These nutrients include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The nutritional value of a food item gives us information about what it contains and how it can benefit or harm our health. It's like a hidden profile of a food item, telling us what's inside and how it affects our body. Understanding the nutritional value of food is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps us make informed choices about what we eat. By knowing the nutrients a food item contains, we can balance our diet, ensuring we get the right amount of each nutrient. This is important for maintaining good health, preventing diseases, and ensuring our body functions properly. Secondly, being aware of nutritional value aids in managing weight, as it allows us to choose foods that are nourishing yet not too calorie-dense. Nutritional labels are your best guide to understanding the nutritional value of packaged foods. Here's how to read them. 1. Serving size. Start here to know the quantity each nutrient value represents. 2. Calories. Indicates the energy you get from a serving of the food. 3. Nutrients. Look at the amounts of fats, cholesterol, sodium, carbohydrates, and proteins. These numbers are crucial for managing your diet. 4. Vitamins and minerals. These are listed at the bottom of the label and are essential for your health. Remember, the percent daily value helps you gauge how much a nutrient in a serving of food contributes to your daily diet. The nutritional value of food has a profound impact on our health. Consuming foods rich in essential nutrients promotes overall well-being and helps prevent various health conditions. For example, a diet high in fruits and vegetables, which are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. On the other hand, foods with low nutritional value, often high in sugars and bad fats, can lead to health issues like obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Understanding nutritional value is a step towards a healthier life and better English language comprehension. Remember, the food we eat is the fuel our body uses to function, and knowing the nutritional content helps us choose the best fuel possible. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to make healthy food choices. Stay tuned for more insightful topics, and happy learning!